Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the Fields of Mistria game on your PC. And guys, this is very simple and easy. You just need to open up your any browser and just search for the Steam. We are going to download this game from the Steam. Just open up the first website of the Steam. And here guys, just click on the login option you are seeing on the right hand top. And guys, here you just need to sign into your account if you have. And if you don't have an account, then just simply create one. And guys, once you created the account, click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. And here just download the Steam and install it into your PC. And guys, this is very simple and easy process. Once you download and install the Steam, just open it and log into your account. And then click on the search box and just type it the fields of Mysteria game and this game will show on the top. So guys, you have to just click on that game to open it up. And guys, once this page was open, here you just need to scroll down and you will see the option of add to cart. Here you can just purchase this game for only $7. And once you click on the add to cart option, here you just need to click on the view my cart option. And now here guys, just click on the continue to payment option and then it is going to open up the new page. Here you just need to pay with your PayPal or any other card you have, and once you pay the amount, click on the library option you are seeing on the top. And here on the left hand side, you will find the game, which is the Fields of Mysteria. Just click on that, click on the install, then it start downloading and installing into your PC. This is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video because this is only motivation for me and I will see you guys in the next video.